Okay, so we're going to do the find the derivative of this function, and then we're evaluating it. I believe it was at pi over 6. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to find, we're going to find f prime at x, and so this is going to be 7. So the derivative of cosine is a minus sine x plus 6. Now the derivative of tangent should be secant squared x, right? So then my f prime of x, y'all, is going to look like this. It's going to be a negative sine x plus, and I'm doing this just because of the way my calculator works. Remember, secant squared is the same thing as 1 over cosine squared x, right? Now we are evaluating this at, at pi over 6, right? Or 11 pi over 6. Let me double check. Let me go 1, 2, and let me bring up the picture. Yes, 11 pi over 6. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back. So let me clean this up. Let's come back over here. 11 pi all over 6. So I'm going to have negative 7. Sine of 11, oops. Fix this a little bit. Let's put a smaller pen. Negative 7 sine of 11 pi over 6 plus 6 over cosine of 11 pi over 6. Now the bottom part here is being squared, right? Okay, so let's see if we can find that part out. So let me come here, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this picture because I don't think I need it for right. Oops, delete it, there we go. Okay, so I need to find what is sine of 11 pi over 6. So I just pulled this thing up, y'all. So here's my 11 pi over 6. Sine of this is a negative 1/2. So I'm going to have a negative 7. So f prime at 11 pi over 6 is going to be a negative 7 times, I believe we said it was a negative 1/2, plus a 6, and because there was a 6 right here, over cosine of 11 pi over 6 squared. So cosine of 11 pi over 6 is that one right there. So 6 over the square root of 3 over 2, all of that being squared. So let's see, negative 7 times a negative 1/2 is a positive 7 over 2 plus 6. When I square this, that's going to leave me with a 3 over 4. Okay, so this is 7/2. Plus, I can think of that as 6 over 1 times 4 over 3. So 7/2 plus, let's see, 6 times 4, 24 over 3. So now I have 7/2 plus 8 over 1. Let's multiply them both by 2 so we can get our common denominator. So I have 7 plus 16 all over 2. What is that, 23 over 2? So I'm coming up with 23 over 2 for my answer, okay? I hope this is working. If y'all got any questions, let me know.